Good morning students. In this video we will learn about interrogative pronoun or relative pronoun. So students, let's start. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask a question. Some common interrogative pronoun are what, which, who, whose and whom. These are called interrogative pronoun, but these are also relative pronoun. These are also relative pronoun. So how will you recognize these? So interrogative pronoun is only used to ask a question. Is only used to ask a question. As you can look the example, whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is this? And next one is who help you in your writing. We are asking the name of the person who helps you to write, to complete your writing work. So this example is also asking you a question, and if in a sentence question is asked, it is called interrogative pronoun. But relative pronoun, as I told you that relative pronoun whom, which, who, whose, also same like a interrogative pronoun. But how will you recognize? This is the you can see it is used to connect to statement by replacing the noun. In a sentence there are two sentences and we add relative pronoun in those sentences. So in that condition there will be relative pronoun, not a interrogative pronoun. How? Look it. As you can look here, this is the shirt. This is the first statement. This is the shirt. My father bought this shirt. And there are two things. There are two sentences. And we added which in this sentence. We added which. We replaced the noun relative, and you can now which is the this is the shirt which my father bought. This is the shirt which my father bought. But here this word is not asking you question. If this word will ask you question, it is interrogative. But here it is not asking the question. Here which is not asking question, so it is relative pronoun. As you can look the second example, that is the boy, he talked to me yesterday. Now that is the boy who, we added who in this sentence. Talked to me yesterday, this is the boy. And when we add who in this sentence is not asking question, so this is a relative pronoun. So we can say that it is used to connect to statement by replacing the noun. Okay, now I hope that you can recognize what is the interrogative pronoun and what is the relative pronoun. Now you can recognize. Okay, now let's see one thing. As students, which is used for non-living things, but who is used for living things. Whom works as an object, but whose is used as an adjective. As we know that whose is the adjective case. In the chapter of pronoun, I told you that adjective case requires noun after it. Okay, you have to remember one thing. I already told you that about where will you use who and whom. As who is used for nominative case. So we will use verb with who, but verb is not used for whom. Verb is not used for whom because it is a objective case. It is objective case. In the chapter of pronoun, I already told you that how will you use, what is the difference between these. Okay, now I am giving you exercise. Please do it fast. Thank you and have a nice day.